Range Rover Sport General Repairs. Land Rover is a British brand of predominantly four-wheel drive, off-road capable vehicles, owned by multinational car manufacturer Jaguar Land Rover. Since 2008 a subsidiary of India's Tata Motors. JLR currently builds Land Rovers in Brazil, China, India, Slovakia, and the United Kingdom. The 2018 Land Rover Range Rover Sport is a luxury midsize SUV known for its combination of performance, off-road capability, and upscale features. It's part of Land Rover's Range Rover lineup, which is renowned for its premium offerings. Here are some key details about the 2018 Range Rover Sport. Servicing a Range Rover Sport is essential to ensure its performance, reliability, and longevity. Regular maintenance helps prevent issues and keeps your vehicle running smoothly. Here are some general guidelines for Range Rover Sport service. Follow the maintenance schedule. Range Rover provides a maintenance schedule in the owner's manual. This schedule outlines recommended service intervals for various components and systems. It's important to follow this schedule to keep your vehicle in good condition. Oil changes. Regular oil changes are crucial for engine health. The frequency of oil changes depends on factors like the type of oil used and your driving habits. Range Rover typically recommends synthetic oil for their vehicles. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top off fluids such as coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and power steering fluid as needed. Brake inspection. Inspect the brakes regularly for wear and tear. Replace brake pads and rotors when necessary to maintain optimal braking performance. Tire maintenance. Check tire pressure regularly and rotate the tires as recommended to ensure even wear. Replace tires when they are worn out. Proper tire maintenance is essential for safety and fuel efficiency. Suspension and steering. Inspect the suspension and steering components for signs of wear or damage. Address any issues promptly to maintain ride quality and handling. Air filter and cabin filter. Replace the engine air filter and cabin air filter as recommended to ensure good air quality in the cabin and proper engine performance. Battery maintenance. Check the battery for corrosion and secure connections. Replace the battery as needed to prevent starting issues. Cooling system. Keep the cooling system in good condition by checking the radiator, hoses, and coolant levels. Overheating can lead to engine damage. Alignment and wheel balance. Ensure proper wheel alignment and balance to prevent uneven tire wear and maintain vehicle stability. Software updates. Range Rover vehicles often receive software updates. These updates can improve performance, address known issues, and enhance vehicle features. Check with your dealership for any available updates. Warranty and recalls. Be aware of your vehicle's warranty coverage and any recalls that may apply. Dealerships can perform recall-related repairs free of charge. Authorized service centers. For Range Rover Sport service, it's advisable to use authorized Range Rover service centers or technicians who are trained and experienced with Range Rover vehicles. They have the expertise and access to genuine Range Rover parts. Record keeping. Keep records of all maintenance and repairs performed on your Range Rover Sport. This documentation can be valuable for resale value and warranty claims. Remember that regular maintenance not only ensures your Range Rover Sport's reliability but also helps prevent more costly repairs down the road. Always consult your owner's manual and follow Range Rover's recommended maintenance schedule for your specific model and year.